Here is a small video of how to change the supports in Lychee PRO. I don't know if you can do this in the free version, so you have to take it for what it is. I have made 3 supports, one light, one middle, medium and one heavy from the original support definitions. If I want to change these, I go to the light support, for example. I want to change the base. I want to have a cone at the bottom, 1 millimeter. I want to have the thickness 1 millimeter. And I want to have angle factor. I want to have 45-degree angles on the edges of the support. What I can do now is to override this setting with my setting. So when I want to create a new one, a light one, it will be the one I just made. We'll do the same for the middle. Change to 2 millimeter, possibly. A bit much. .9, 1.5. That's better. Thickness still 1, and the same angle factor, 45. Now I can place medium supports with the setting I made, but if I forget to go to the menu and override this, the next time I want to make a medium, it will become the original medium. But that's possible to change. I just select the one I made and I override it, and that is the new medium setting should be. Override. So now it's supposed to be mine, but it wasn't. If I select that, override, new medium. Hello. There it is. So that's a way to make the settings the ones you want instead of the original ones. I'll do that with the heavy as well while we're at it. 45, 1 millimeter, and a cone that is 2. And I'll override that as well. Now if we select all of them, delete, make a new light, the second a medium, and the third a heavy. There you have it. 3 different supports the way I want them, or any way you want them. That's all for now.